What's going on, everybody? Check out this quarter-size dent on this 2023 Lexus fender with a little scuff on the paint. I'm James Harris of Southside Dents and Cosmetics, and today we're going to be fixing this fender in real time. Normally, I like to speed these videos up 5 times for convenience sake, but I thought it'd be really cool to show you guys what a repair looks like in real time today. The sped up videos are great, but the real-time videos show you just how many pushes we make and how gentle we are with these pushes. Each push carries the risk of making a high spot in the metal that we're going to have to knock down later, and if you really don't know what you're doing, you'll create a high spot that can't be knocked down. So check it out as we gently massage this metal back into place, and then we take the time to buff out this scuff afterwards and get it looking as close to factory as possible. Now, with the magic of film editing, I was able to cut some of the downtime out of this repair and keep it as short as possible for you guys. And I just wanted to take the time to say this is a really fun one, and the customer was very excited. And I mean, how could they not be? Look at these final results after I get done wiping this compound off. This thing looks great. The metal is totally straight again. No dent under that body line, no paint damage at all. If you've got similar damage on your vehicle that you'd like to have repaired and you're in the Hampton Roads area, reach out to us via the links below or give us a call. Thanks so much. I'm James Harris of Southside Dents and Cosmetics, and we'll catch you on the next one.